Okay, so picking up where we left off in the first video for example 4, I've expanded my table so that I can compute these values that I need here. Okay, so since I'm focusing on calculating this column and this column, what I'm going to do is take my 6 and subtract my 9.46 from that. So I'm going to get negative 3.46. I'm going to do 7 minus 9.46, get negative 2.46, and I'm just going to keep repeating that until my table is completely filled in. Okay? So now that that's done, what I'm going to want to do now is compute this column. So I can use my calculator. I'm going to put my negative in, which is down here by the 0. Okay, and then square it. I'm going to get 11.97. I'm going to take this value and square it. I'm going to get 6.05. And then I can keep repeating this process. I'm going to get 2.13. Okay, 0.21, 0.29, 2.37, and 6.45. Okay? So now, to find our standard deviation, we're going to multiply this value from our table by our frequency, f, and then sum them. Okay? So I'm going to come down and add another row. So if I was to make my table, I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to have f times xi minus my mean squared. Okay? So this is going to be 4 times 11.97, which is going to give me 47.88. I'm going to have 4 times 6.05, which is going to give me 24.20. I'm going to have 1 times 2.13, which is just going to be 2.13. And I'm going to continue. I will have 3 times my 0.21, which is going to give me 0.63. I'm going to have 5 times 0.29, which is going to give me 1.45. I'm going to have 4 times 2.37, which gives me 9.48. And then lastly, I'm going to have 7 times 6.45, which will give me 45.15. Once I do that, I need to sum them. I'm going to add everything here together, and I'm going to get 130.92. So now I'm going to take my 130.92, divide it by my sum of the frequency, and that's going to give me 4.68. So then my final step is going to be to take the square root of 4.68, because my standard deviation is equal to the square root of this value, and that's going to give me 2.16. So I had a mean of 9.46, and I had a standard deviation of 2.16.